Don't tell people about your why. This is a theory I heard from Dr. Huberman, which is a Stanford neuroscientist, and also Dr. K, which is a psychologist from Harvard. They approach it from different angles, which is Huberman talks about how you have the talkers, which say they're going to do something, and you have the doers, which actually just do the thing, right? And then I like the Dr. K angle a lot more, which is fundamentally things that you don't let out of your mind multiply. So that those could be negative things or those could be positive things. So with negative things, you go to therapy for that, for example. You have a lot of past thoughts about something, then you talk to someone, you write it down in a journal or something similar, and then those thoughts go, right? It's same with your motivation. So I came with a concept for myself, which is don't pass the hot potato. Because to me, whenever I get motivation, the best way I can describe it feels hot. Like I'm kind of holding something precious and I feel uncomfortable with that energy. So a lot of the time, I'm just like, hey, I'm really motivated. And then it just kills my motivation. So recently, I've just not been telling people shit of like why I want something. And it's worked very well for me. So don't pass the hot potato.